My name is Andrew Norris, and I'm a barrister. During my JD, I wanted to specialise in intellectual property because I wanted to work in the film industry. And I thought that would be very glamorous and very fun. And so I got a job for a law firm, and I ended up doing trademark applications and other things that weren't so fun. So then I decided I wanted to save the world and become an environmental lawyer, and I got a job for an environmental law firm, and I found out that wasn't too fun either. And then it was when I was volunteering at a community legal centre, Fitzroy Legal Service, I started getting into crime. And I loved it. And it was fun, and I really enjoyed the people and the stories, and I loved the action in court and the stakes. It was really exciting. So I decided to focus on criminal law, and specifically I wanted to be a barrister because I wanted to be on my feet, in court, in the action. So I got a job as a judge's associate, which is a great stepping stone to become a barrister. It's a great job, full stop. And studied for the bar exam while I was a judge's associate, passed the bar exam, and when I found out I passed, I deferred my entry for a year to give me some practicing experience, and I got a job for Victoria Police. I was prosecuting at the Children's Court, and so that was every day prosecuting a big stack of matters. It was really good advocacy experience. So once I did my year there, did the bar readers course, now I'm a barrister. I specialise in in-court advocacy. I've started doing jury trials more recently, which is terrifying, but that's what you think of when perhaps you think of what a lawyer does in pop culture and movies and TV shows. Standing on my feet in front of a jury of 12, doing an opening address, examining witnesses, cross-examining witnesses, a closing address, and then nervously waiting for a guilty or not guilty verdict. So that's what I do. With my job, I do both prosecution and defence, and the defence part is definitely the most rewarding, particularly when you have a client who's legally aided. So it's not uncommon I will have a client who is experiencing homelessness, has mental health issues, might have an acquired brain injury as well, or an intellectual disability on top of that, drug, alcohol dependency, victim of family violence, perpetrator of family violence, all these vulnerabilities, perhaps young. So to be able to make a positive impact in a client like that's life is the most rewarding part.